We are in Auroville, Tamil Nadu, South India. Auroville is an international township in the making. Started in 1968 when this area was just a desert. Since then, the city has been developing with schools, a town hall, health centers, organic farms, forests, etc. And now there is a new movement called urban farming.
The urban farming is located at the city center, the first phase of the city center, close to Matri Mandir, and it's an area of about 10 acres which includes habitat and administration. In the habitat we have settlements like Maison des Jeunes, a place for the youth, students and volunteers. We have Citadine and we have Mitra Youth Hostel as well as Inspiration. And then on the other, close by, on the other side, we have administrative offices, cultural centers and services. So the Green wants to integrate all this, unify all this, and not only in the gardens, but also inside the building, bringing the green inside the corridors of the building, into the terraces and also on the green walls. The green will be composed of ornamental plants, will be composed of medicinal plants. There will be also the indigenous species, the tropical dry evergreen forest, TDF, and also vegetables, fruit trees, and so on. All this is done in a spirit of searching for a new economy, a fraternal economy, in a spirit of service, and in a spirit to build a universal city of the future, as green as possible. The wastewater coming from bathroom, toilets, kitchens, goes into a series of chambers underground. They are not visible here, they are underground, they are here below, and then they come here, they are filtered by these aquatic plants, which is an incredible, prosperous, vigorous plant, and which create a huge biomass. It gives also an excellent compost. Soon we will have in fact to take out part of it, and this water it is used for the urban farming and for the garden in general.
Another dream that came up out of this project would be of having raised beds, for example, as allotments are managed in the UK, where in different neighborhoods of the township you have different places organized for food growing. And these beds can be either rented out for communities or for families or for individuals on a 6 or 12 months basis, perhaps without any cash exchange. And this rental of these gardens would be used for home food production, and the surplus would be shared within the communities. If the project is successful, we can turn this to be a very positive case study where a situation of food insecurity can bring on a manifestation of food sovereignty, where instead of having a higher food production, you have a higher empowerment of the citizens to produce food. And this is actually the end goal of the project.
I see urban farming as a process of education, of appreciating our local fruits and vegetables, identifying them, learning how to grow them, getting familiar with local indigenous varieties, and ultimately preserving the seeds. Getting into the habit of collecting and preserving the seeds of our own fruits and vegetables and being able to grow food from these seeds is the basis of food security.